Welcome to Compare to Win. The best beard growth kit is probably one of the most sought-after products for men looking to achieve a fuller, more impressive beard, and in today's video, we're diving deep into what makes a kit truly stand out, examining the key components, ingredients, and user experiences to help you make an informed decision on which one will best help you cultivate the beard of your dreams. Number 5. Beard Kit for Men Grooming and Care. Introducing the complete beard kit designed for every man. Achieve a perfectly groomed and healthy beard with ease. This set includes everything you need: 3 types of beard oil for nourishment, a gentle wash, and a shaping balm. Keep your beard soft and manageable. Master your style with the included comb and brush for effortless styling and shaping. Achieve the look you desire with precision. We've also included scissors for trimming and maintaining your beard shape. It's the all-in-one solution for your daily grooming routine. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This kit is an ideal choice for husbands, boyfriends, dads, or any man in your life. Perfect for any occasion. Surprise him with a gift that shows you care. It's a fantastic idea for Valentine's Day, Father's Day, Christmas, or any special celebration. What we like. This comprehensive kit offers everything you need for beard care. With multiple beard oils included, it provides variety and nourishment. If you're looking for a complete package or a ready-made gift, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. The roller is easy to use and the serum smells good. My beard looks thicker and fuller after using this kit for a few weeks. The Derma roller helps to stimulate hair growth and the serum nourishes the beard. Number 4. Biotin Beard Balm for Men. Achieve a fuller, thicker beard and mustache with our Biotin Beard Balm. Its powerful formula is designed to enhance your facial hair's natural thickness. Crafted with organic ingredients like castor oil and meadow foam, this balm nourishes your facial hair. It's a natural choice for healthy growth and conditioning. Experience superior hydration with our leave-in conditioner. It keeps your beard soft, manageable, and healthy without feeling greasy. Support your facial hair's growth journey. This balm provides the essential nutrients needed for robust and healthy beard development. Designed for the man who values his appearance. This beard balm is your secret weapon for a perfectly groomed and impressive beard. What we like. Experience a thicker beard with its 2x thickening formula. It's made with organic ingredients and acts as a hydrating leave-in conditioner. If you desire a fuller beard or have dry, unmanageable facial hair, this balm is ideal. What people say. The roller has fine needles that help stimulate the skin. The serum contains natural ingredients that nourish the beard. The kit comes with a comb that helps to style and detangle the beard. Number 3. The Beard Club Premium Beard Kit for Men. Introducing the ultimate grooming experience for the discerning gentleman. This comprehensive kit is designed to elevate your beard care routine to new heights. Crafted with the finest cedar and sandalwood oil, it nourishes and conditions your beard. Experience the rich, masculine scent that leaves a lasting impression. From shaping and styling to cleansing and conditioning, this kit has everything you need. Achieve a perfectly groomed beard with ease and precision. It includes a premium balm for hold and style, a gentle shampoo for cleansing, and a brush and comb for effortless grooming. Plus, trimming scissors and a straight-edge razor for the perfect finish. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This exceptional set is ideal for any man who takes pride in his appearance. Give the gift of a perfectly maintained beard. Invest in yourself and discover the confidence that comes with a well-groomed beard. This kit is your secret weapon for a distinguished look. What we like. This premium set includes high-quality grooming tools and a sophisticated cedar and sandalwood scent. The inclusion of a straight-edge razor offers a traditional grooming experience. If you appreciate fine craftsmanship and a luxurious scent, this kit is for you. What people say. The kit also comes with everything you need for grooming: brush, comb, scissors, razor, shampoo, which makes it a great all-in-one set whether you're starting out or just upgrading what you use. Oil and balm leave beard noticeably softer. After about 3 to 4 weeks on constant use I could see a difference. not just because it made me look cleaner and all, but the color looked darker and more full. Number 2. The Beard Club Enhanced Beard Growth Kit. Are you ready to achieve the beard of your dreams? This comprehensive kit is designed to help you reach your full potential. It includes everything you need for superior beard growth and care. Experience the difference with our all-in-one solution. Stimulate your skin and nourish your follicles with the Derma Roller and our potent beard growth oil. Get ready for thicker, fuller growth. Tame and style your beard with the refreshing sandalwood balm and the included comb. Keep your beard looking its best, effortlessly. Looking for a gift for the bearded man in your life? This exceptional set is the perfect present for any occasion. Give your beard the attention it deserves. Invest in this kit and see the remarkable transformation for yourself. What we like. This kit is designed to enhance beard growth, featuring a Derma Roller and 2 bottles of beard oil. It's specifically formulated for those aiming to improve density and length. If you're serious about accelerating your beard growth, this enhanced kit is a great option. What people say. The roller has fine needles that help stimulate the skin. The serum contains natural ingredients that nourish the beard. The kit comes with a comb to help style and de-angle the beard. Number 1. The Beard Club Original Premium Beard Shampoo. Introducing the Beard Club Original Premium Beard Shampoo. Achieve a soft, clean, and healthy beard with our natural and nourishing formula. Our gentle formula is designed to cleanse and condition your facial hair effectively. It's made with natural ingredients to promote beard health. Experience the difference of a truly clean and soft beard. This shampoo leaves your facial hair looking and feeling its best. We understand the importance of gentle care. That's why our shampoo is formulated to be kind to your skin, preventing irritation. You can trust what you're putting on your beard. Our product is free from sulfates and parabens, ensuring a pure and safe cleanse. This convenient 4 fluid ounces bottle provides ample product for regular use. Keep your beard in top condition with every wash. What we like. Achieve soft, clean, and healthy facial hair with this natural shampoo. Its gentle, sulfate, and paraben-free formula is kind to your skin. If you have sensitive skin or prefer natural, nourishing ingredients for your beard, this shampoo is the perfect daily cleanser. What people say. The roller has fine needles that help stimulate the skin and promote beard growth. The serum is formulated with natural ingredients that nourish the beard and skin. The kit comes with a comb to help style and maintain the beard. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.